Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about rectus sheath. First the formation and then the contents. First the formation of the rectus sheath. So you're finding that from the external oblique we are getting some aponeurosis is coming. That aponeurosis is going to enclose the rectus muscle. Okay, that is the rectus abdominis muscle, and also this will end, it will touch the xiphoid process, which is also surrounding the 6th and the 7th rib. With the muscle also will be attached, the intercostal muscle. Okay, so this will be the thing, and then there will be and then that will totally cover the rectus muscle by touching the linea alba like this, like an oval shape will be formed, and then it will link the external, internal oblique and transversus abdominis. I've shown you in the fascia transversalis, exactly that will be happening. And then what will be happening is that this part will be removed, this part, and then you're finding that there will be just one upper layer. There will be an upper layer that will be enclosing the rectus muscle, and that is called the rectus sheath. So this will happen above the costal margin, also between the costal margin and arcuate line. Okay, and here it will be below the arcuate line. You are also finding that there will be the fascia transversalis with the peritoneum surrounded by the fat, the peritoneum fat. Okay. Now the contents of the rectus sheath. What is there? We have the superior inferior epigastric arteries. We are finding the T7 to T11 spinal nerves. Okay. We are also finding the L1 iliohypogastric and inguinal nerve, subcostal nerve. Okay. Spermatic cord. This is transversus abdominis with the aponeurosis. This is the extraperitoneal fat. These are the contents of the rectus sheath. Okay. And also umbilicus. Okay. This will also be. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.